with the mobile nutrients in the soil, in particular nitrate, nitrogen, we can actually quantify the amount of nitrogen that's in the soil. Now, in Australia we use the metric system, and the beauty of the metric system is it was designed from the ground up. So a hectare by 10 centimetres depth, which is a shallow sample, it is actually 1 million litres. There is 1 million litres of volume in a hectare 10 centimetres of depth. Now that's important because, you know, the lab measures things in parts per million, and already we've got 1 million parts here, 1 million litres. So if we go out and take a sample down to 60 centimetres, and we split it off, we split the 0 to 10 centimetre sample off for our shallow sample, and then we keep the 10 to 60 and send that away as a separate sample. We will have a bulk density which we will know for our district. In this case, the bulk density of the 0 to 10 is 1.1 kilograms per litre, and the bulk density of the 10 to 60 centimetre sample is 1.3 kilograms per litre. And the results come back from the lab. The soil nitrate nitrogen concentration, this example is 5 milligrams per kilogram, which is parts per million by weight. Okay, so we've got 5 parts per million, and we've got 1 million parts, and we've also got the bulk density to take care of. And in the 10 to 60 centimetre sample, the soil concentration of the nitrate nitrogen comes back at 10 milligrams per kilogram. So there, you know, that's the understanding behind it. There is a formula for working out the quantity for getting the nutrient, the nitrogen, in kilograms per hectare. Is the soil concentration of the shallow sample, which was 5 milligrams per kilogram, by the bulk density, by 1.1 for the shallow, by the sample depth in centimetres, which is 10 centimetres over 10, so that's your single layer of 1 million litres, and that comes to 5.5 kilograms per hectare of N in the top 10 centimetres. Then we work it out for the second layer, and you can have 3 layers here or even more, like you could have a 60 to 90 if you took a 90 centimetre sample, but in this case we've just got the 2. So the soil concentration for the second layer was 10 milligrams per kilogram, by the bulk density was 1.3, by the sample depth 2 minus sample depth 1, which is 60 minus the shallow depth 10 over 10, so that's 50 over 10, so these are 5 layers, if you like, of 10 centimetres, or 5 million parts, and that equals, that's 50 over 10 is 5 by 1.3, 6.5 by 10 is 65 kilograms per hectare of N, giving a total of 70.5 kilograms per hectare of N.